Hello. I look freaking crazy. Literally need to go get my hair done so bad. We're doing a fun transformation today. So the red has been fun. I feel like, okay, I have a branding photo shoot coming up and everything that I wear would have to coordinate with the red, and I just feel like earth tones look really good on me. I feel ridiculous with these on. I can't even handle myself right now. Good morning. We are getting our hair done. Like I said, it's time for a change. I want to be in the neutral palette, so my vision is like changing the red to like a caramel, but I don't know exactly what's possible. This is all new, uncharted waters for me. So I did send pictures, like these inspo pictures I'll put up here, to Hiiii. She was like, yeah, no worries, like we can definitely get you there. That is the happenings and I'm very excited. I also have a photo shoot directly after with a new photographer that I connected with through Instagram, so I'm super excited to meet her. She just opened up her own studio, so really exciting stuff. I drank all my coffee on the way here, so I actually really have to pee, so I'm gonna go inside and we'll get started and we'll just have a day together. How about that? We're having a day. It's you and me. Let's do this. This is glamming in the car using an old Starbucks wrapper to wipe off extra foundation off your hand. Think smarter, people. Not the best lighting or angle, but I am in a little time situation. It's kind of getting hot in here. I wonder if there's anyone around me. She's not there yet, which is okay because I'm very ahead of schedule. I'm like 2 hours ahead of schedule. So I'm just getting ready now for why not, right? I did forget a beauty blender. So I used this little puff that I found in the bottom of my makeup bag to blend in my foundation. Not mad at it so far. I'm going for something really like fresh looking, so I'm gonna do my best to stay chill. This is the Dominique Cosmetics Speedy Inside and Out palette. Sorry, Essential palette is the name of it. Can you read, Sher? We put my hair in like these little twisty things. She calls them sausages. I'm gonna dab into these little things here. Hello, sir. Thank you for staring. We're just gonna start warming up the eyes. I feel like this natural lighting outside, you can see so many hairs on your face. Like so many. I brought tweezers. I'm like little Mary Poppins over here, just pulling stuff out of my bag. I feel like I was at one of Quincy's baseball games this summer. Actually, yes, with my friend Keelan. And she was working for the team at the time. And we drove there and like, cause it was a away game, and when we got there, it was like, oh, let's touch up our makeup, whatever. And it was the same thing, like in the car, that natural bright light is like, whoa, it will reveal all. I actually wanna just kind of deepen out the corners. It's getting really warm in here, I cannot lie. I think I'm gonna have to turn the AC on. As I'm filming this, I actually just had my birthday photo shoot on Sunday, 2 days ago. So we are just back to back, getting it in. It's good though. I'm overdue for this, and it's been one of my goals is to really connect with local creatives. Somebody's car's going off. Actually don't know where that is. We're just gonna keep going. Yeah. So the photographer, who I'm about to meet, obviously it's like collaborative on the vision, but mostly like her. So I just wanna try to get as close as possible as I can to what she wants. Oh my god. There's an ambulance and a stretcher and a man. It's an old man, you guys. I'm gonna cry. His hat fell off. Oh my god, he can barely walk. I'm like literally so sad. They're just helping him sit down right now. Don't sign up in your bed. They're checking his vitals. So sad. Let's say a prayer together. I'm really sad now. This is like hard to focus on what I'm supposed to be doing. I would show you, but I feel like I want to respect his privacy and his family too. I can't tell if it's like his wife or maybe like, I don't know, maybe his wife that's with him or maybe a daughter. I don't know, they might not be putting him on the stretcher. They're like lifting it up now. That's one thing in my heart is like the elderly. I love them so much. Just can't stand to see anyone having trouble, so it makes me really sad. Jeez. Gives you some perspective, you know? So grateful that I'm so able and healthy and I can get ready for this photo shoot of my health. And it's so weird to me how many people are just like walking by and not even, I mean, I know, I'm sure they don't want everyone in their business, but my natural lashes are really showing up today, guys. I'm glad that the, what is it called? What are they called? Like EMTs for ambulance. I'm glad that they're still here checking this man out, making sure he's good. Like they're not just leaving. Why do I open my mouth when I do this? I've got a little on my eyes, but we'll let it dry and get that later. I need a new Better Than Sex mascara, but I freaking love the wand. Can you guys believe it? They're not even curled. I forgot there's probably Vaseline on my curler still. Whoops. I wonder if, oh yeah, see that kind of took off the mascara. Oh well, fuck it. Oh, that really fucked it up, didn't it, guys? Rookie mistake. Rookie mistake. Do not, I repeat, do not, oh fuck, do not curl your lashes with fucking shit on your curler. It's fine, we're gonna salvage it, it's fine. We have no choice but to continue on. We're gonna figure this out. So dumb, you guys. Literally dummy move. I'll be right back because I have to fix this. whew, we are done. And I'm tired and hungry, and I'm debating if I should grab something here or just go home. I kind of think I'm just gonna go home because the boys need to go outside. A little patience will go a long way. But it was so great, went amazing. I'm excited to see you know, the raw images and be able to go through them and everything. She was so sweet and so kind. It was great to meet her. Her studio space was beautiful, as you guys saw. And now I'm all glam with my fresh hair. I never even told you guys about my hair. So we got it to like a chocolate color, which I think is perfect. Nice and neutral. And then eventually we'll work on, you know, kind of maybe going to a caramel, but I really like how it is now, honestly. My hair is a little bit oily now because I had olive oil on my chest when we did like the topless ones, but I love it. I love the color. Hiiii did her thing. She always does. Shout out Hiiii. Let's go get some food and I'll see you guys when I have food. Okay, the lighting, so bomb right now. And I literally just picked up food. I'm starving. Like, to the point where I feel a little bit violent, and that's on me because I did not plan this well. So I can smell it. It smells so good. Appreciate the hair, guys. Like, I needed this change. I've been feeling like it was time to go neutral. I was really sad because I couldn't wear the color green, and I know I could technically, but I just felt like too Christmassy or like poison ivy-ish, and I feel so much better neutral. I think it looks so pretty, looks so expensive, and like it's just so me. So I'm really excited, so happy, excited to see how the images turned out, excited to eat this food. Thank you guys for coming with me, hanging out. I'm probably gonna go home, smash this food first, do some work, and then relax and have a good night. So anyway, thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, subscribe, all the stuff, and I love you guys, and I will see you later. Bye.